Chin chin. Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be making some
great stuff,
as you can already tell. So yeah, it's pretty simple by the sounds of it. Hopefully, fingers crossed, touch wood, we'll be able to make it. So yeah, let's get right into it. Let's go. So you'll need 225 grams of unsalted butter, 150 grams of caster sugar, 400 grams of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 egg.
Need the butter and the sugar first, and then we whisk that together.
It's proving difficult without an electric whisk, so if you've got an electric whisk, definitely use it, yeah. Not to worry if you don't like, it's not that hard, it's just, you could make it a lot easier. And get whisking again. It'll probably look like it's curdled initially when you start mixing it, but just keep going with it, and you should be fine. And now start adding in the flour slowly. Don't want to put it all in, not yet anyway. So a bit of an update. It was getting stuck in the whisk, so we decided to just get stuck in. So, hence why my hand is all disgusting. So, yeah, just keep mixing it together until you need to roll it out. So, now that you've got the mixture all sort of in one, you need to pour it out onto a flat surface. Just cover that surface in flour, then get a rolling pin and, well, cover that in flour as well, and then pour it out and start rolling. Let's roll.
Okay, now we're going to cut the shortbreads. If you don't have a cookie cutter like us, then just use a glass. Okay, so we've only got enough room on the tray for only a few. So we're just going to cook these ones first and then come back and do the rest after.
So the first batch has just gone into the oven. We're going to use another tray just to get the second batch out quicker, and yeah, we didn't want them to be too close on the tray because otherwise they're just going to all stick together and become one big shortbread. But yeah, so we're going to do the second batch now. They go in for the oven for about 15-20 minutes.
Okay, we've got our first batch out of the oven.
And now we're going to use the remaining ones and put that on the different trays as well. The mixture should make about 30, but we should have 30 already without even having to re-roll all that dough together. So we might have more than 30. So we have just done all of the shortbread section of the recipe, and now we're going to do the actual grey stuff.
Well, the Angel Delight first.
Yeah.
We are meant to use vanilla, but we couldn't find any, so use butterscotch because it's kind of the same colour. So.
Yeah, and it'll be, if anything, it'll be our like, unique little slight different taste to it, but yeah. So you do need 300 milliliter of milk, which Emily is measuring out. Then yeah, just whisk it together with the Angel Delight mix, probably also called pudding mix in America or something like that. So yeah, just leave that set for a bit before going on to the next stage. Once it's all whisked together nicely, good job Emily, you need to then just put it in the fridge to set, and then we go on to the next step. So now that the Angel Delight has set, you need to get out, how many?
15.
15 Oreos, then you need to crush them.
Oh, we got 14 in a pack.
Oh, so you definitely need 2 packs. And then yeah, crush them, and then add them into the mix along with the double cream, which you just need to whip it up so it's nice and thick, and then fold that into them. So because we are totally prepared, we don't actually have anything that we can blend it with, so I'm just going to put it in this little tray and just use a spoon and just sort of crush them. So if it works, it works. If it doesn't, we'll find something else, but yeah. So this is the crushed Oreos. It took quite a while to do it, but oh, there some goes. But yeah, now, so move this out of the way. So here is, it doesn't look very appetizing, but that is the Angel Delight. So then you just sort of trickle that in there. So then it will start to go grey, as it should be, as the grey stuff. So then you need to get your double cream ready. You need to whisk that, so we'll do that now. Now we've got the double cream, so we're just going to whisk it until it gets thick and light, and then fold that into the current mix, which is just here. Then you need to just pour it in, well, drag it in. And then once you've done that, you can then start to fold it in to the rest of the mixture.
Okay, once you've done that, all we need to do now is put it in the fridge until it's firm. You are meant to use a piping bag, but of course we don't have any of them either. We're just going to plod it on.
So that's it, the grey stuff. So let's give it a go. It's going to be very messy, but you know, treat yourself. Chin chin. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. It's one that we've wanted to do for a while because we like to be our guest so much, which you can find in the card annotation. I think it's on this side of our meal at Be Our Guest, also our first night in Florida. So if you'd like the cooking videos, we've got another one on our channel where we do
crispy treats, Mickey shaped.
Which is another thing we enjoy doing. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a magical day.